you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones. Welcome to today's Crypto Catch from Kalkine TV. Now, over in Europe, tough capital rules for banks holding crypto assets must be fast-tracked in the European Union's pending banking law if Europe wants to avoid missing a globally agreed deadline, the bloc's executive has said. The global Basel Committee of banking regulators from the world's main financial centres has set a January 2025 deadline for implementing capital requirements for banks' exposures to crypto assets such as stablecoins and Bitcoin. Basel standards are applied in the EU with a law, and a delay could mean that banks have to wait longer to enter the crypto market as separate EU rules for trading crypto assets come into force in 2024. To enforce Basel's crypto rules, the EU could either propose a new law or expand the banking law it is now finalising as called for by the European Parliament. A separate draft law would not be forthcoming until the end of 2023 at the earliest. Parliament goes to the polls mid-2024, making it harder to approve a new law in time for 2025. Moving on, and Gower Capital hedge fund founder Kevin Zhu says his flagship fund would close after losing almost half of the fund's money when cryptocurrency exchange FTX collapsed. Zhu's statement was released on Twitter and confirmed a report in the Financial Times that the hedge fund had decided to close its main fund and return its money to investors. FTX, once among the world's top crypto exchanges, shook the sector in November by filing for bankruptcy, leaving an estimated 9 million customers and investors facing billions of dollars in losses. In his tweet, Zhu said Gower Capital had lost almost half of its assets. He said the fund's investors, according to the Financial Times report, that the money stuck in FTX was worth around half of the hedge fund's $200 million in assets. The newspaper report cited an investor letter which said the hedge fund was no longer viable and had stopped trading and exited its positions. The value of all cryptocurrencies is around $1.2 trillion, down from a peak of $3 trillion in November 2021. That's according to market tracker CoinGecko. Well, that's the latest on Kalkine's Crypto Catch. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.